esteemed professionals, colleagues, the guiding force in the profession, our senior members, learned and knowledgeable speakers of the conference, the future of the profession, our young members, members who have come from various parts of the country, members from industry and trade, members from press and media, and all dear esteemed professionals. I, Richa Sharma, on behalf of the organizing committee, extend a warm Rajasthani welcome to you all. Khama Ghani, Namaskar, and a very good morning to you everyone. Can I have a big round of applause? थैंक यू. एंड ये खास उनके लिए जो राजस्थान के बाहर से आए हैं. पधारो हमारा देश. National Tax Conference is organized after 14 long years in Jaipur. I would rather put it this way, that we are fortunate and feel with immense pleasure and proud to organize this. We at Jaipur have been honored by organizing National Tax Conference 2014, where different professionals have congregated at this beautiful pink city to discuss the various issues which touches the very edifice of our profession. This is indeed a great opportunity for all of us who have gathered from different regions, from different parts, different states of the country. For you, we have a great and a content-rich program laid ahead of us. We are very sure that your 2 days session program in National Tax Conference 2014 will be truly insightful, and you will go from here more learned and more enriched. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि एक बार फिर से तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से हम आज के दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं. The theme of the conference is Make in India, the role of tax professionals in it. And our 2 days session program are jointly being organized by All India Federation of Tax Practitioners, commonly known as AIFTP, Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association, RTCA, Tax Consultants Association Jaipur, TCA Jaipur, and Jaipur Tax Bar Association, JTBA. You all must know, and we know that on 15th of August, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, he invited the entire world from Red Fort to come to India and make in India. और for sure हम सभी इस बात को अग्री करेंगे कि वो जो स्टेटमेंट उन्होंने दिया था टू कम टू इंडिया एंड टू मेक इन इंडिया, वो कोई पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट नहीं था. वो एक स्टेटमेंट ऑफ विजन है विच इज फॉर द एंटायर कंट्री एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ फर्स्ट नेसेसरी स्टेप टुवर्ड्स द रीबिल्डिंग ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमी. एंड टेकिंग अ लीड फ्रॉम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स स्टेटमेंट, we at AIFTP, TCA and JTBA have come forwarded through the National Tax Conference 2014 to brainstorm the role of tax professionals and to align our thoughts into action. इसी के साथ मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी हमारे आज के डेलीगेट्स, चीफ गेस्ट को. मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी सबसे पहले श्री विक्रम गोगरा जी, प्रेसिडेंट जयपुर टैक्स बार एसोसिएशन. आप प्लीज डायस पे आए सर. श्री विक्रम गोगरा जी. मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी श्री जेडी ननकानी जी साहब से, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशन ऑफ टैक्स प्रैक्टिशनर्स. मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट भी करना चाहूंगी कि प्लीज अपनी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से सर का वेलकम कीजिए. मैं अविनाश खंडेलवाल जी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि वो सर को, जेडी ननकानी जी साहब को स्टेज तक लेकर आए. मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी श्री एनएम रांका साहब से, और मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी विनय जौली जी से वो सर को स्टेज तक लेकर आए. अब प्लीज तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से सर का वेलकम. मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी श्री अशोक शर्मा जी, सीईओ ग्रीन लैम्प इंडस्ट्रीज, एंड सतीश गुप्ता जी वो सर को स्टेज तक, डाइस तक लेकर आए, एस्कॉर्ट करें. एंड फॉर श्योर जिस दिन के लिए हम सब इंतजार कर रहे थे हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर से मिलने के लिए, आवर ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस अजय रस्तोगी जी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जज ऑनरेबल राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट। मैं रिक्वेस्ट अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू, मैं पंकज किया जी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, सर आप प्लीज सर को डायस तक एस्कॉर्ट करें। सर, इट इज अ प्लेजर एंड ग्रेट मूवमेंट फॉर अस दैट यू हैव जॉइंड अस। And now may I take an honor to call upon our respected chief guest, truly who does not need any introduction, our chief guest of the day, Honorable Mr. Justice R.K. Agrawal Sahab, Judge Supreme Court of India, Chief Justice. Can I request Shri O.P. Agrawal Sahab to take sir to the dais? May I request everyone to give a standing ovation to our chief guest?
विक्रम गोगरा जी के मोतीवाला जी बोले, एच.एन. मोतीवाला।
मैं एच.एन. मोतीवाला जी से भी निवेदन करना चाहूंगी वो एक बार स्टेज पर आए और अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। मैं ओपी अग्रवाल सर से भी रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, सर आप प्लीज स्टेज पे आए। इसी के साथ हम चूंकि हम कभी भी किसी भी कार्य की शुरुआत करते हैं हम हमेशा दीप प्रज्वलित के साथ करते हैं, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी हमारे ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस श्री आर के अग्रवाल साहब एंड ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस अजय रस्तोगी जी एंड सभी डिग्नेटरीज जो अभी डायस में हैं वो प्लीज आप दीप प्रज्वलित कर और श्री सरस्वती माँ के आशीर्वाद के साथ हम आज का दिन शुरू करेंगे। थैंक यू सर। एंड चूंकि आप लोगों ने काफी अपना कीमती समय निकाला स्पेशली टू आवर चीफ गेस्ट एंड आवर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, तो उसी को कंटिन्यूएशन में रखते हुए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ टैक्स कंसल्टेंट्स एसोसिएशन श्री अविनाश खंडेलवाल जी, President of Jaipur Tax Bar Association, Shri Vikram Gogra ji, and General Secretary of Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association, Shri Vijay Jolly ji से कि वो आए स्टेज पर हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को ऑनर करें विद अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर। मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, प्लीज आप अपनी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से I also request Mr. M.V.K. Murthy, Deputy President, and other Vice Presidents of AIFTP, all Vice Presidents of AIFTP to please come on stage and felicitate our Chief Guest with a memento. All Vice Presidents of AIFTP and Mr. M.V.K. Murthy to come on dais and felicitate our Chief Guest with a memento. Thank you, sir. And I would also like to extend our sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Rastogi ji. I request all our presidents of RTCA regional wise, just to name, Shri Rajesh Kumar ji from Malvar, Shri JP Singhal ji from Bhilwara, Shri CP Ladda ji from Pali, Shri MP Chatterjee from Kota, Shri Suresh Oja ji from Bikaner to jointly felicitate our Honorable Mr. Justice with a bouquet of flower. Can I request everyone whom I have named to please come over dais and मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी आप सभी से हमारे जस्टिस श्री अजय रस्तोगी जी को फेलिसिटेट करें बुके ऑफ फ्लावर से। मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट टीसीए श्री विनोद पाटनी जी से एंड संदीप अग्रवाल जी से श्री आरपी शर्मा जी ऑफ टीबीए वो सर को फेलिसिटेट करें मोमेंटो से। Thank you, sir. It's an honor for us to have you here today. I would also request Secretary TCA, Shri Abhishek Sharma ji, Secretary JTBA, Shri Mukesh Bhardwaj ji, Regional Secretary of RTCA, Shri Dinesh Agrawal ji from Jhunjhunu, Shri R.K. Sisodia ji from Chittorgarh, Shri Pawan Mittal ji from Shri Ganganagar, Shri B.V. Maheshwari ji from Mumbai, श्री संजय मित्तल जी फ्रॉम नागौर, आप सभी जॉइंटली स्टेज पे आए और हमारे की स्पीकर सीईओ ग्रीन लैम्प इंडस्ट्रीज के फेलिसिटेट करें विद अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर। मैं आप सभी से एक बार वापस फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि all the dignitaries who are sitting on the dais, can we just stand up and give a big round of applause and a standing ovation to our guest, chief guest, guest of honor and other dignitaries. Thank you everyone.
अशोक शर्मा जी का मोमेंटो रहेगा।
I'm sorry I missed. मैं विनय जॉली जी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि अशोक शर्मा जी को मोमेंटो देके फेलिसिटेट करें। इसी के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी श्री सतीश गुप्ता जी से, वो आज का वेलकम एड्रेस के लिए स्टेज पर आए। और
नमस्कार, a very happy good morning. Honorable Justice Mr. R.K. Agrawal, Honorable Judge Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Mr. Ajay Rastogi, Administrative Judge Rajasthan High Court, Sri Ashok Sharma ji, CEO and a chartered accountant from Greenlam Industries, Chief Patron of this conference, a very senior advocate, Sri Anamaraka ji, my elder brother, my philosopher and my guide, Chairman Conference, Sri O.P. Agarwal ji, President All India Federation of Tax Practitioners, J.D. Nankani ji, Vice President All India Federation of Tax Practitioners, Pankaj Ghia ji, President Tax Consultant Association, Jaipur, Avinash Khandelwal ji, Secretary General All India Federation of Tax Practitioners, Sri Motiwala ji, General Secretary Rajasthan Tax Consultant Association, Vinay Joli. My dear seniors of the profession, my colleagues, gracious ladies, members of the press and media, members of the corporate houses and business houses, राजस्थान के बल्कि पूरे देश के अलग अलग प्रांतों से दूर दराज से आए हुए इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के डेलीगेट्स, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, all of you have made a huge effort to join us today. Wow, what a gathering we have here today. We have got legal luminaries, tax celebrities, senior officers of the department, corporates, business house representatives, industrialists, real estate giants, many known faces, friends, peers, past and present colleagues, members of the press, all brought together for one cause, for one aim, and that is National Tax Conference 2014. We have stars on the stage and off the stage. I, Satish Gupta, President of the Rajasthan Tax Consultant Association, one of the host organizers of this function, on my personal behalf and on behalf of all the members and office bearers of all four associations, extend a warm welcome to Honorable Justice Mr. R.K. Agarwal, sir. A huge welcome to Honorable Justice Mr. Ajay Rastogi, sir, Administrator Judge Rajasthan High Court. A friendly welcome to Sri Ashok Sharma, CEO, Greenlam. A warm welcome to Justice Ranka ji and other Justice Bindal ji who are present here. And a very, very honored welcome to all of you, my dear friends, who are gracing this occasion, making this conference a great success. Friends, the Rajasthan Tax Consultant Association, since last more than 35 years, doing the great work for the tax fraternity, for the tax professionals. The three main objects of this association are organizing various seminars, conferences, workshops in the entire Rajasthan. And I would like to submit very humbly, sir, that this year we have organized 13 seminars in 13 different districts of Rajasthan on various issues of tax. We monthly publish a tax word journal, Tax Word, regularly since its inception. We hold residential refresher course since its inception. And friends, the first time, today, we are going to release two very important books for the benefit of profession. One by Senior Advocate Mahendra Gargia, my member, executive member, another by a very young and dynamic Chartered Accountant Rajneesh Singhvi, today by the hands of Honorable Justice Agarwal Sahab and Rastogi Sahab. Friends, there are so many things to say, but I know the time is short and we don't want to waste the time of yours time. So I would like to end here with again a warm welcome and thanks to all who have supported this conference. Thanks, friends. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर। इसी के साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कॉन्फ्रेंस चेयरमैन श्री ओपी अग्रवाल जी सर से। सर, आप जैसे सभी जानते हैं, ही इज़ अ वेरी सीनियर एंड अ रिनाउंड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज लुक्ड अपॉन बाय मोस्ट ऑफ अस. He is an expert on direct taxes. He is a member of governing body of Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. He is also president of Jaipur Tax Tribunal Bar. He is a former president of Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association. And with that, can I request you, sir, to be on stage and share your few words?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to welcome the dignitaries. Honorable Justice R.K. Agrawal Sahab, the senior judge of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Ajay Rastogi ji, Administrative Judge, Rajasthan High Court. Honorable Shri N.M. Ranga Sahab, Senior Advocate and Bhishma Pitamah of the tax fraternity of this country. Shri Ashok Sharma, Chartered Accountant and CEO of Green Lamp Ply, a dynamic industry leader, I would say. Shri Satish Gupta, President, the Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association. I would say jointly for Satish and Pankaj Ghia ji, who is President AIFDP, they are the soul and heart of this conference. Shri Avinash Khandelwal, President TCA, Shri Motiwala ji, Secretary AIFTP, Shri Vinay Jolly, Secretary RTCA, Shri Gogra, President TBA, Shri Avinash Khandelwal, President TCA, the Honorable Judges of the Rajasthan High Court and Punjab and Haryana High Court, the former and present Income Tax Appellate Tribunal members, the authorities from Central Excise, Income Tax Department and the Commercial Taxes Department, the present galaxy of industrial leaders, I would say, the leaders in industry, the academicians who have graced this occasion, and my sweet colleagues. Being chairman of this National Tax Conference 2014, organized by 4 leading associations of tax practitioners of this country, that is AIFTP, RTCA, TCA, and TBA, consisting of the members from the profession of law, chartered accountancy, company secretaryship, cost and works accountancy, and income tax practitioners. I am pleased to present the brief credentials and the contents of this conference, which we dedicate to the India's Make in India ideology by building the environment conducive to the betterment of the society and generating an intangible asset for stepping forward towards a developed phase in the country. The conference content has been circulated in detail, and we have designed the entire deliberations in 6 technical sessions spread in 2 days, where we have sessions on income tax, corporate compliances, central taxation on services, value-added tax, stamp duty, works contract, and in addition to all these brainstorming exercise sessions, we have kept a session for interpersonal relationship with the taxation departments, where we have invited the Principal Chief Commissioner Rajasthan, the Principal Director General of Income Tax Rajasthan, Principal Chief Commissioner Central Excise and Customs Rajasthan. We have also reserved a session for learning personality development by dividing deep into the law of attraction by the management guru, very famous management guru, Govind Babu. Lordships, I seek your special attention to submit that the main objects of this conference would be to learn and understand as to how to adhere to the process of creating knowledge, competencies, skills and attitudes in the present system of career building and advancing the cause of taxpayers. The process is essentially knowledge-driven through continuous education to the professionals and passively examining their work and experiential learning and development. Friends, continuous learning, in other words, lifelong learning, is the vision and mission of this 2 days conglomeration of legal luminaries to accomplish the purpose. With the bird's eye view about this event, I take my seat with my good wishes to Honorable Justice R.K. Agarwal for his most bright career and dispositions in the life and making the judicial system proud by occupying the seat of justice in the highest court of this country and upholding the spirits of Constitution and the law. I also give my good wishes to Honorable Justice Ajay Rastogi for his untiring efforts to make the judicial system of Rajasthan most transparent. Friends, Honorable Justice Rastogi also deserves a heartfelt word of thanks for his mission to advance the cause of speedy trials of cases in the state of Rajasthan by constituting Lok Adalats regularly and in his capacity of Administrative Judge of the Rajasthan High Court. Thank you all, and I seek your blessings. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's always an honor to listen from you. Yeah. इसी के साथ मैं निवेदन करना चाहूँगी श्री जेडी ननकानी जी साहब को, वो स्टेज डायस पे आएं और to share a few words with us.
Namaskar. Good morning to every one of you present in the auditorium. It's my proud privilege to be with you on this conference organized by RTCA and other associations of Rajasthan, along with dynamic person Pankaj Gia and his team. My congratulations to you, Pankaj. You accepted. Before I start my simple address to my audience here, Honorable Chief Guest Justice R.K. Agarwal, Honorable Justice Ajay Rastogi, Mr. Ashok Sharma, CFO, Green Lime Industries, all the other honorable judges of the High Court, presidents of all associations, conference chairman Mr. O.P. Agarwal, distinguished guests of and of the dais. A very warm welcome to all of you to this National Tax Conference being held at Jaipur. In keeping with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's national agenda of Make in India, the theme for this National Tax Conference is Make India, Role of Tax Professionals. Conference arranged by the AFTP are aimed at continuing education to our professional brothers to excel in their profession, commitments, service and clients to the best of their ability and to protect their interest. However, this conference has been extraordinary theme connected to the national agenda which aims to bring India on par with the global superpowers. Our study and deliberations at the conference are focused with objective in mind. I wish great success to each technical session and brain trust sessions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And I would request Shri N.M. Ranka, sir, senior advocate and a legendary of the tax profession, to be on podium and share his few words of wisdom.
Honorable Mr. Justice R.K. Agarwal, Judge, Supreme Court, who is very simple, sober, highly cultured, and hails from a highly reputed, renowned family of lawyers of Allahabad. Chief guest this morning, Honorable Shri Ajay Rastogi, Senior Most Judge of Rajasthan High Court, who is known for his soft voice, but simultaneously highly disciplined and with a good grasp at the short level. Dear Shri Ashok Sharma, CEO, my esteemed colleague, CA O.P. Agarwal, a senior, sincere, and highly devoted and dedicated to the profession of tax and accountancy. One more facet of his life, which none of the advocates or chartered accountants at Jaipur could achieve, is that he is Chancellor for JERC University, and that university is known at the national level. He had further credit of organizing similar national tax convention in the year 2000 for 3 days, and with a record registration of more than 1,200. And I congratulate he and his team for this hat trick today in organizing this conference with registrations exceeding 1,000 and in a very grand scale. Dignitaries on the dais, honorable judges, past presidents, Deputy President of the Federation, office bearers, and members of other organizations, distinguished ladies, distinguished guests, gracious ladies, and my fellow professional brothers from all over the country. The princely state of Rajasthan has been pioneer in producing stalwarts in the field of law, taxation, and accountancy. And there are innumerable who have migrated from the state of Rajasthan to other parts of the country and in different states, who have made a mark in those very states. Thereby, I can claim, and rightly so, that the state of Rajasthan has been building the nation primarily in these three fields. Friends, the basic motto of the Federation has been ethics, education, and excellence. It is heartening to find that in the Constitution itself, we have specifically specified to maintain the ethics. And it is commendable that looking to the general scenario all over, by and large, my members have been maintaining the ethics. As far as education is concerned, I remember my great friend, late Shri L.C. Patni, chartered accountant, who has been fountainhead of educational activities in the state of Rajasthan, and jointly, along with late Shri K.C. Patni, have organized innumerable conferences, seminars, and have tried to enlighten the tax consultants and persons in accountancy profession in this state. I take you back to the history, because being the chief patron for this conference, it is my duty that I must apprise particularly the younger generation that as early as in the year 1975, these associations organized residential refresher course at Sariska Alwar, and it was inaugurated by Justice P.N. Bhagwati, the then judge of the Supreme Court, who later, in 1986, as a Chief Justice, inaugurated the first National Tax Conference organized by my former partner, late Shri R.C. Ghia, whom I lost at a very early age. And as I have been mentioning, I again mention, honor and remember those who have built the institutions. And he was amongst them. And that's why, rightly and faithfully, the two associations, organized associations, are organizing R.C. Ghia Memorial Lecture. Very recently, it was delivered by Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Mishra of the Supreme Court, and few minutes later, you will be finding that incorporated in a book, Constitutional Perceptions of Fundamental Duties. In the field of literature also, just as you will be finding little later, certain books are being got released today. Federation, and I appreciate the sincere efforts, and as far as the Federation is concerned, I always say it is my successor in the Federation, Dr. K. Shivaram, who is the fountainhead for educational activities and always keeps us abreast. As many as 22 publications have been published by the Federation and available at a very nominal cost. Not only that, more than 22 writ petitions in public interest have been filed by the Federation. One more thing, because I have started with ethics. I would like to mention Jaipur has been pioneer in filing a public interest litigation against one tainted accountant member of the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, but I am sorry to say it is still pending and the person has already retired. We had thought of it would be expeditiously disposed of and prior to his retirement, but he has already retired. Friends, going with the Western culture, but simultaneously try to maintain your own Indian culture, and whatever is to be earned by you, whatever is the name or fame to be received by you, it is all predestined, it will come to you, be rest assured, don't rush about it. The message to the younger generation is keep patience, maintain ethics, work hard, educate yourself, excel in life, and simultaneously join good institutions, serve the country, serve the society. Before concluding, I deem it my duty to congratulate Shri O.P. Agarwal and his team for this wonderful event organized by them, and equally for the earlier event organized under the leadership of Shri O.P. Agarwal. I am thankful to my colleagues, my past presidents, and to other members in the Federation and the other 3 organizing associations for giving me respect all throughout. And I may assure I have been serving, I shall continue to serve, and please do accept if any good thing I can do for you. Thank you.
Now, since you, as you all must know, that we have our honorable guest and delegates, new delegates amongst us, and we would like to seize this opportunity, since it's a great moment and an absolute privilege for us that today few of the books will be released by our chief guest, Mr. Justice R.K. Agarwal Sahab ji, and guest of honor, Mr. Justice Shri Ajay Rastogi ji. So with that, I would like to request my team members to help me with the first book, Souvenir of the Conference, containing the articles of eminent speakers of the conference. Can I request the first book, Souvenir of the Conference? I request Shri Pramod Bubji to help with the release of the first book.
मेन बुक चाहिए साथ साथ जिसको बढ़ाना
The second book, RTCA Handbook, are ready referenced by Shri C. Rajneesh Singhvi ji. Sure. इसमें कौन है? I request for the RTCA handbook are ready referenced by Shri C. Rajneesh Singhvi ji.
I may add that this is a book wherein all the facets of all the tax laws has been compiled, and it is a referencer for all the tax laws, and it is a diary also for the year 2015. Extremely useful book compiled by C. Rajneesh Singhvi. A hearty welcome to him. And it is a publication of the Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association, being distributed free of cost to all the delegates.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll request for the third book of the day, Selective Decision of Rajasthan High Court on Income Tax by Advocate Shri Mahendra Gargia ji.
Again, a strong publication of the Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association containing all the selected income tax decisions of the Honorable Rajasthan High Court and compiled by young and energetic Mr. Mahendra Gargia. It is a very useful book, again free, being distributed to all delegates here by the Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association. A strong effort by the team president, Mr. Satish Gupta and his team for continuous education in the profession.
This book has been forwarded by Honorable Justice Mr. Rastogi sir. Please give him demands also.
Now I request for the Tax World Monthly Tax Journal published by RTCA, edition of this month by C.A. Shri Manish Agarwal ji, Chief Editor.
This is a regular tax journal of the Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association, the Tax World, being published regularly by the association for the last 35 years. It is regularly quoted and cited before the Honorable High Court and other tribunals in the state of Rajasthan and even outside. And we have more than 1,000 subscribers to this Tax World, a monthly tax journal being published by the Rajasthan Tax Consultants Association.
And of course, again a very important book on constitutional perception and fundamental duties by Shri N.M. Rankaji Sahab, Senior Advocate, past President of AIFTP. So I request Shri Siddharth Rankaji, Secretary, Ranka Public Charitable Trust, to be on dais and help us to release the book by Chief Guest and Guest of Honor.
A series of books by the Ranka Public Charitable Trust in publication of various tax laws aspects and other laws aspect. It contains the speech of Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Mishra Sahab given in the R.C. Ghia Memorial Lecture organized by RTCO and TCA recently.
यार ये सुरेंद्र की बात है
I request for the another book, Guidelines for Claiming Incentives on Investment and in Industry and Service Sector in Rajasthan by Mr. M.L. Patodi, Mrs. C.A. Ritu, G.P. Das and C.A. Ishu Jain. Can I request for the book?
The investment in Rajasthan, the Rajasthan Investment Promotion Policy 2014, its facets and the various opportunities in Rajasthan, a book compiling all the recent notifications and a gist on it by M.L. Patodi Sahab and his team.
I have requested you, Patodi sir, to please provide us the 1,000 copies of this book later, so we can distribute it all to all delegates later on. Thank you, Patodi sir.
Thank you, sir. And the last book for the day, Book on FEMA by AIFTP, Dr. K. Shivram. Can I please request for the book?
I would request, it is a publication of the All India Federation of Tax Practitioners and being given as a 30% discount in this conference to all the delegates if they require. It contains the recent provisions and the question answer of the Foreign Exchange Management Act and a very useful book for all the delegates. Please go to the stall, sir, please. Dr. K. Shivram is the past president of AIFTP and a senior advocate at Mumbai High Court.
बस लास्ट है ना 1 मिनट प्रसाद देना आप 1 मिनट प्रसाद
I would also request Shri S.K. Podar and Shri M. Nivas Rao. He has come from Tirupati Balaji and I would request him to please give the prasad of Tirupati Balaji to both the honorable guests, Shri S.K. Podar and Shri M. Nivas Rao.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Since we all know that today we have our legends of tax world, I would say not only the legends of tax world, but we also have people from trade and industry. With that, I would like to request our keynote speaker for the day, addressed by Shri Ashok Sharma ji, CEO, Greenlam Industries, to share his industry insights and experts with our professional members. I request you, sir, to be on podium. Can I request everyone to give a big round of applause to sir?
Dear all, wish you a very good morning to you. And first of all, I wish to make a correction that I am CFO of the Greenlam, not the CEO. Our CEO, Mr. Saurabh Mittal, could not attend this event due to some personal exigency. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Justice R.K. Agrawal, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Guest of Honor, respected Justice Ajay Rastogi, Administrative Judge Rajasthan High Court, Honorable Judges of Rajasthan High Court, Dynamic President of all Organizing Associations, Sri Nankani ji, Sri Gupta ji, Sri Khandelwal ji, Sri Gogra ji, Senior Tax Professional from all across India, speakers of various technical sessions, Senior Officials from various Department of Income Tax, Service Tax and Commercial Taxes, gracious members of tax associations, my colleagues from industry, ladies and gentlemen. I am grateful to organizer for giving me this opportunity to share my view on this very important National TaxCon 2014 being organized at this beautiful pink city of Jaipur. I am very happy to note the theme selected by the organizer, that is Make in India Role of Tax Professional. It is an out-of-box theme and I must congratulate the organizer for choosing such a contemporary theme. How and what services a professional can give to their client in the fast-changing competitive scenario is, I believe, the foremost question in the mind of a professional today. I am also delighted at the subject chosen by organizers for various technical sessions, which are of utmost use, not only to tax professional, but also for the members from the industry. Challenges being faced on all taxation front are being taken up. Industry today is the first choice of young professional, be it lawyer, chartered accountant, or company secretary. Coming time will see a sea change in concept of taxation with the inevitable direct tax code and goods and services tax, which is coming sooner than earlier thought of. We have seen the new Companies Act. I believe the compliance level in coming time will be very high and penal consequences will also be huge. Whether the new law will lead to lesser litigation is a question which will be answered in the future to come. Sir, we see huge litigation pending in the various courts of various old matter, which is taking most of its time, whereas we at the industry are facing contemporary challenges. And how the judiciary will respond to our contemporary challenges is something that everybody look forward to. Resolution of commercial disputes, tax disputes need to be given priority by the judiciary, and best judicial practices have to be geared up not only at the top level but also at the lower level. Uncertainty in taxation law is today the biggest hindrance for industry and corporate to grow. We are never sure when the next notice is going to come at our doorstep, from which direction and from which law, for how many year-old issue will be taken up. Industry by its very nature is forward-looking, embracing for forthcoming challenges and opportunity, but it is not geared to respond to so many old matter. Entry tax dispute is a prime example of this retrospective amendment in tax law, or another example. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has given a call of Make in India. I will say this is a very big opportunity for all of us. We all need to put our best foot forward and make this success. We all need to identify issues where our energy are being wasted for unnecessary issues. We all need to identify problems which create problem for others and come out with solutions. Sir, the role of professional in this is for the utmost importance. Having knowledge of all laws with a single person is an impossible expectation. However, having combination of professional dealing with various taxation law is the need of the hour. Having a team of professionals under one roof also bring harmonization of requirement of various law. I will say this is a way forward also. This is the single most reason for success of big firms. You can see of yourself the benefit of this conference when subjects from all divergent fields are taken up together. It helps in understanding the problem with different perspective. I am confident that this conference will be enriching experience for all of you and will also give an opportunity to meet friends and colleagues. I wish everyone a bright future and a wonderful year ahead. I again thank the organization for successfully organizing this wonderful event. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
I would like to make a small announcement. There are a couple of cars which are standing, which are being parked outside. Number is RJ14 CE1025, RJ14 CR 3191. I believe they have parked not appropriately. So anyone who is the owner of the car would request to please just go out and check the location of the car, the way it has been parked, because the traffic is being stopped because of this. With this, moving on to the next section, I would like to invite our guest of honor for the day. Sir, your knowledge and experience has inspired so many people around us, and we will look forward to hearing you and share your words of wisdom today. So I request our guest of honor, Shri Ajay Rastogi ji, to be on podium and share his thoughts.
First of all, good morning to all of you who are present in this auditorium and the legendary personalities which are in front of me. My respected senior brother, Justice R.K. Agarwal, Judge Supreme Court of India. My brother, Justice Rajesh Bindal, my brother, Justice J.K. Raka, and all other my brother and sister judges who are here and present in this auditorium. Mr. Ashok Sharma, the keynote speaker. Mr. Bharatji Agarwal, whom I met for the first time yesterday. Shri N.M. Raka Sahab, to whom I know for a very long time the day I joined profession. Shri O.P. Agarwal Sahab, who is my mentor and my elder brother also. All other dignitaries on the dais, all the learned resource persons, keynote speakers, participants, and all other active members attached to this conference. It's my great pleasure, and I feel proud of it, that I, being one of a member to join this conference, which is organized at a national level. Because sometimes we find it to either honor yourself or people honors you is different. When I feel when I am a participant of it, then the question of honoring me does not arise. The details and the structure given to me of this National Conference 2014, it's really a proud privilege for me to say that all those who are attached to this, organizing these functions, deserves a special welcome and congratulations to all of them on my behalf. It was a very difficult task to take care of it. I have looked into the 2-day condensed sessions in all these 7. I have gone through all the keynote speakers, the participants, the subjects, and I find that end of the day, when the deliberations will take place, the outcome will be very healthy, and it will be a milestone for the Government of India in taking decision to lay down or to make an amendment in the existing laws which are available for the conference for deliberations. I'm very confident of it. When I was looking after the theme, it is Make in India, role of tax professionals. Earlier we had heard about it, Made in India. When we go to any shop for any purpose, we find either it is made in China or it is made in India. Very popular. Now the subject is changed, Make in India. I think it's a vast change in approach. If we say Make in India, we are inviting the people from outside that use the labor which is available to us, the human resources, the available industrial growth in this country, and the economy of this country will certainly be developed on the subject of Make in India, which is being very popular. And my request to all is, please join hands together and do your best and see this Make in India will be a milestone for this country tomorrow. And we need support from each of us. Sometimes we feel about what will be the change that will come in the subject of Make in India. Very difficult for the time being to say so. But my experience, short experience. The legendary personalities are sitting here, on the dais and off the dais both. But I feel that in times to come and within the coming first decade, the change will be on the screen and acceptable to us. Because whenever we put any change, we find that there is some murmuring at the ground level, because people are not receptive, open for discussion. But I can say that this will give a change in approach, in perception, and at the end of the day, the economical development of this country. When we talk about role of tax professionals, I think in economical development of the country, I can have no doubt in saying